In Elite Technique, the all-in-one fence software dealing with companies or individuals that have multiple addresses is no sweat. Let's go! When creating a new contact in the Contacts app, if we click on the plus sign where it says Add right under the Contacts and Addresses tab, you have the ability to add more contacts and or addresses that will live underneath the main contact. You may choose among several types of addresses, and there's a lot of information you can compile for any additional contact. Even though these contacts and addresses are linked to the main contact, company, or individual, a completely separate contact card will be generated. If you need to create an opportunity, a proposal, or send any communication to a contact's additional address or contact, just click on the right contact card that contains the correct address and or contact instead of the main one. Remember, you can always add an image if it helps you associate or find the right address or contact more easily. Thank you very much.
Work smarter, not harder. Elite Technique.